in the world? Where's the kitchen island?
He's out there in the real world!
Huh? How am I supposed to watch cartoons?
Did you really have to bring us all the way down here to finish that sentence?
Barbie, I need to take a shower. Don't tell me we're out of shampoo. I just bought a 50-gallon drum yesterday. No, we're out of shower. It's gone.
Man, she must really hate cupcakes.
But we still have the shampoo, right? The TV's missing, and so's the couch. We've been robbed. No!
My Barbie sense is tingling, and judging by the type and intensity of the tingle, either you need a coaster for your beverage, or the Dreamhouse has been robbed!
He's out there in the real world!
What if he's in trouble? What if he's hurt?
What if he's pursuing a degree in liberal arts?
Chels, what are you doing with my bedroom suite?
What, this? I'm just borrowing this stuff. My friends and I are making a playhouse.
How adorable! What if we helped you build it? Wouldn't that be fun, guys?
But I've already...
Are you kidding?
Exactly. It's gonna take a lot of hard work, so we better get started.
So do we know how to build a playhouse or what?
Yeah, we totally crushed it. Great job, guys. Sherbet for everyone.
Exactly. It's gonna take a lot of hard work, so we better get started.
That's their idea of a playhouse? Looks more like a doghouse.
I wouldn't sleep in that. I have standards.
Are you kidding me? Come on, guys. Now that's what I'm talking about. Come in, come in, come in. Life in my